Hey everyone, welcome back to the year anniversary of the Fishless Fisherman channel. I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you that are subscribed to my channel. If you've seen my channel before, some of my videos, and you haven't subscribed yet, I still appreciate you watching. If you see this one, please consider subscribing, hitting that like and share button, and also the notification button so you know each time I'm dropping a new video. But I just want to say, thanks for everything over the past year. I wanted to share the first video that got the whole channel started last October. I shortened it up just a little bit, but I wanted to re-release this video so that I could give all my new viewers and subscribers the opportunity to see it in case they haven't been able to find it while they're searching videos and things like that. But anyway, just stay tuned. I appreciate you all again. So we only have until 7:12 before they lock the gates for fishing. So we gotta hustle.
Some of the lake that we'll be fishing tomorrow. Fishing off a dock tonight, hoping to catch at least six
good-sized brim.
6 good-sized brim. It's a good view of the lake. I've had some luck here in the past. Hopefully we can pull it off again. Got our red worms here. It's my dad with all this manly fishing gear. It's a beautiful lake, beautiful day. Perfect conditions, not cold, not hot. It's been somewhat cooler at night and in the morning, so hopefully it doesn't get too cold while we're sleeping tonight. How much was it the last time we came here and we caught off this dock?
Most I've caught over here was 9.
9. It's a beautiful lake.
Oh, let's see. I'm tired of getting all this algae all over my hook. So I'm going to slip on a little bobber here so that it doesn't drop too far into the water. And see if I can suspend the worm in the water column a little bit and have them come up to it. See if that works, because right now they're just dragging it down to the weeds and then it's coming off. And I'm having to clean off a bunch of algae. Let's see if I get any luck using a bobber. So let's sit there for a minute, see if I get any nibbles on it.
Something and I ripped the hook right off.
Huh?
I had something, but I ripped the hook right off.
Watch out. The bobber went under. Got one, Robert. Good? Yep. Had it on the bobber, just let it sit there and the bobber went right under. Oh yeah, pretty decent sized bluegill. At this point, yeah. We gotta have something to eat tonight. Not super huge, but big enough to lip. Have to make it work for tonight. Got a bucket with some water in it. If we happen to catch a few more pretty quick, because we're running out of daylight, we can throw that one back if we get some bigger ones. But right now, on this trip here, we're pretty much just only protein we're eating is what we catch. We got a few side dishes to go with it, but tonight and tomorrow all we're eating is what we catch. So gotta hang on to that one for now. See if we can get some bigger ones. But that worked, adding that bobber to it. Put a new worm on there. Toss it out there with the bobber and let it sit. Wasn't long at all, that bobber went right under. See if we can get another one. There it goes. Just went under again. See, make sure it didn't take my worm off. Yep. So you gotta check your hook every now and then. So I'm gonna let it sit out there, and we've been fishing with no bait on the hook. You're not catching fish with no bait on your hook, that's for sure. Trying to catch at least 6 tonight. That'll be 3 for me and 3 for Robert. That should be enough to fill us up for this evening anyway. Going under again. Got one, Robert. Yep. This one is small, so I'm going to keep it in the bucket, see what else we catch. So this one may be getting to go back, but we will see. Not too big. I think I'm going to send that one back, not even keep that one. Got one.
Nice.
Oh yeah, we're gonna keep this one. Not a monster, but we getting hungry.
Tell me about it.
We getting hungry. There you go. I'm getting on the camera now, but
When did they close the gate?
when sunset, we're supposed to be at 7:12. Got one. Oh, he came off. Are you kidding me?
Got one.
Get it, boy.
Yeah.
Bring that joker in, boy. Nice and easy. Oh, that's a baby one for you. You're gonna eat that one. Woo.
Alright, and it saved my worm.
Good job. First catch of the day. First catch of the trip for Mr. I had one too, and it came off right before you caught yours.
Yeah.
And it took it for a ride too, and it just popped right off.
Saw that one.
It didn't even take the worm either. No bites?
Stupid algae again. Got a bite. I believe it took my worm right there too. Yep.
Got one. No. Oh yeah, this is a good one, it feels like.
Watch it be like small.
That feels pretty good. He's fighting really good anyway. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Oh, that's a good size one. Look at that jumbo daddy. That's a good size brim right there. Don't come off.
Didn't you have one here
Woo,
that came?
look at that.
Didn't you have one here that came right off the second you pulled it out?
Look at that. Ouch! Spiked me.
Yeah.
That is a good one. Can the camera see it? Okay. It's a good one right there. Bait. We got about 10 minutes to try to catch. How many more we need?
2.
2 more? Our goal is 6, so we can each have 3 each for dinner.
Well, really, all we need is me to catch one and you to catch one.
So basically we need me to catch 2.
Or me to catch one and you to catch one. Just remember, I've caught 1 fish. Yeah, I still caught 1.
Got it.
No.
Don't know how big it is, but we got it. Well, that's a good size one. Not bad at all. There we go. Number 6.
1 more cast. Every single time with this worm.
Open up your mouth.
Get a nibble.
Open up your mouth.
This is it.
Alright, there we go.
Alright guys, back here at the campsite. Dad's over there unloading the fish. Just chilling, you know. It's starting to get chilly out, like I said earlier. It's fall time, so it's warm during the day and kind of cold during the night. Yeah, this is excited for tomorrow. We're gonna take the John boat out onto the lake, and who knows, hopefully we'll catch a 57-pound striper. You never know. Yeah, well, I know I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Now let's take a look at these fish. Yeah, this is a little look at the fish. 6 that we caught earlier. Pretty good, pretty good. Excited for dinner. Yeah. I'll fire up the stove here. Probably cook some of those. I think we got some ramen up there too. It's gonna be great. Oh man, I love camping. It's so fun. Oh. Okay, so I know it's kind of dark, but getting ready to get a fire started here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me illuminate for you. There you go. Got a fire getting ready to start. And my dad over there filleting the fish, getting ready for dinner. Now, let's see if I can get this fire started, not burn down the forest. Just a joke. Yep, we've got these fish, the fish we caught earlier. We've got them marinating in some hot sauce. While those are marinating, we are going to cook up some nice gourmet cup noodles, right? Yeah. sweet chili flavor, so I'm excited for that. So we're going to boil those up. We're going to bread the fish with a Cajun breading, he said. What kind of breading? The Cajun breading?
Yeah, it's fish fry. It's from Cajun two-step. Put that on a cracker, dude.
So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far, it's looking pretty good. The fire's still going. And, yeah, I'm excited. First cookout, or camp out, fish fry / YouTube video. So, yeah. I'll see you guys when we're cooking the food. Ramen. Gourmet ramen right here. That's pretty good. Got the filet sizzling over there. The smell from here smells really good. Yeah, I'm so hungry, man. Oh, this is a nice little campground. My fire's dying, sadly.
These are looking good. Hard to believe these were swimming in the water about an hour ago. Now they're swimming in the grease.
Oh, it smells so good, too. How much longer do you think?
I let them go on that side for another 45 seconds or so, and then I'll flip them over. They don't take long to cook. That will smell like fried shrimp too.
Yeah.
My headlamp died.
Your lamp died.
Huh?
That sucks. Charge it. Get ready for tomorrow night. Oh, this looks so good. It's almost like they jumped out of the water and right onto my plate.
Yeah, that sweet and spicy ramen hits the spot when it's a little chilly outside. Alright, let's try this bluegill. Look at that. Nice flaky white meat. Much good.
It's really good.
Cajun two-step for the win right there.
Mm-hmm.
It is really good batter.
Oh yeah.
Crisp up real good.
Mm-hmm.
A little kick to it. Anyway, we're going to sit here and we're going to enjoy this hot dinner that we got. Get some energy back in us so we can hang out by the fire before we get to sleep. Catch you tomorrow.
So now my dad's over there getting the boat set up so we can head out on the lake, which I'm excited for. And that's where we're going to spend the rest of the day pretty much. Hopefully we can catch some stuff there. And like I said last night, hoping we can catch something, because I really want to make the chip breaded fish. Yeah, sounds kind of weird, but hopefully we can do that. Alright, I'm on the boat, getting ready back down into the lake. See how my dad does. Hopefully he doesn't hit a tree. He shouldn't. We'll be fine. So, yeah, I'm excited. Getting to head out on the lake finally. Hoping we catch something. Apparently there's walleye, radar sunfish, channel catfish, largemouth. See what we can get, you know? It's a good view of the lake there. And we are in the water. All right. And we are off. Let's. It's the car. Okay, looks like you pulling up to the dock here. Very slowly but surely. And we're good. Oh. There's my dad. A little bit. So we're out here fishing on the lake, bass fishing, and I look over at this tree, and there's this huge bird just sitting there. It's crazy. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it is huge, and it's really pretty, actually.
Hey everybody, there's no way to sugarcoat it. Today sucked. I mean, it started out great. It was a beautiful morning, a little on the chilly side. Got some great footage of some fog coming in over the lake. But it just got worse after that. Okay, let me just tell you. Got the boat on the water, and from the get-go, we had no luck. Caught tons of fish. Actually, as you saw in the video, we caught one fish. But it was just one of those days where nothing was biting. We had fish popping all around the boat, and we could not get them in. We really lived up to our channel name, Fishless Fisherman today. We could not catch anything. We even went back to the dock that we caught a bunch of fish last night, and we couldn't catch anything. But besides that, I had a great weekend hanging out with my son. Camping was great. Friday night was great. Caught a lot of fish, had a fish fry. Today, yeah, it could have been better, but we still had fun. Beautiful weather, sunshine all day, no precipitation. Everything besides the actual catching fish was great. You know, we even went to a Mexican restaurant to eat dinner because we were starving. We didn't eat for 12 hours, and when we got back, we had no fish to eat, so we decided to go get some Mexican food. But besides that, had a great weekend. Robert, you got anything to add?
Yeah, when he mentioned the fish popping up all around the boat, I don't think I got that on camera, but we were sitting in the lake, and no joke, I don't know if it was bass or catfish, they kept jumping literally all around the boat teasing us, and then we'd throw our lines in, and they would not eat it.
So, but all in all, had a great weekend. So until next time, see you later. All right, what'd you catch, Robert?
Catfish.
Is that your first one?
It's my first catfish.
Yeah. What are you gonna name him? Whiskers?
Yes.
Hold it up.